Let's make the Bloody Ink Shot from Kraken Rum. To make this drink, we're going to start by putting some root beer in our saucepan. And the recipe calls for 1 cup of root beer. 1 cup is 8 ounces, 240 milliliters. Because I'm doubling, I'm going to be using 2 cups, 480 milliliters, 16 ounces. I've got my handy dandy measuring container, which has 2 cups right there. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to measure out 2 cups. And I already opened this one of root beer. Oh, let's not pour it too fast. Okay, 2 cups of root beer into the saucepan. And it doesn't matter if it fizzes or bubbles or not, because we're gonna boil this out. And that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna take this to the stovetop. I'll see you over there. Okay, here at the stovetop, we're gonna turn this onto a medium-high heat. And we're gonna heat it until the root beer boils. We'll be right back with you. Now that my root beer is boiling, I'm gonna pour in the gelatin mix and stir until it all dissolves. Try not to drop the package in there with it. All right, I'll be right back with you. Now that the Jell-O has dissolved, I'm gonna pour in my rum. 2 cups of rum because I'm making a double batch, or 1 cup if you're making a single batch. I'm gonna stir that to mix, and I'm gonna remove from the heat. Now I'm gonna bring this back to my countertop. Now to portion this out, the recipe does specify using plastic shot glasses. I don't have any plastic shot glasses, but I have these plastic sample cups, and I've seen Jell-O shots done in these before, so that's what I'm gonna use. And I was just gonna try to free pour these, but I think that would hurt me probably. So what I'm gonna do instead is use a little measuring cup, pour it in there gently. And you don't need to watch me do all these, so I'll do all these and I'll be right back with you. Okay, this should be the last one. And I am free pouring. There's a little bit left. Not the last one. Not a full one, but you don't want to waste. Okay, now, I don't know if this was a mistake or not, but I'm gonna put lids on all these. Again, you don't have to watch this. I'll be right back with you. Now that all the lids are on, I'm gonna put these in the fridge. Kraken Rum says for 2 hours. Jell-O says 3 hours or more. We'll see how long it takes for them to firm up. We'll see in a bit. Okay, several hours later, in fact, I left these in the fridge overnight. They seem to have turned out just fine. It's like a blizzard at Dairy Queen. You can eat this with a spoon, I suppose, if you wanted to. Traditional way is to use your tongue and separate it from the container. I'm not going to do that on camera. I'm just going to use a little bit of spoon instead. Little bit of spoon. That's good English. And there you have it. A bloody ink shot from Kraken Rum. Drink with good spirits. Though you're not really drinking at this point.